Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just jumping on here real quick this morning. It's Sunday morning, it's right before church, but I completed two new digital complete kits. Well, this one is almost done. It should be done by the time the video uploads. And I wanted to show them to you and give you a quick tutorial on them. So this is one of them. This is the Vintage Florals. It is the little mini journal. And as you can see, it is simply gorgeous. So I have included some blank papers, some pages with like vintage invoices with the roses on it. So that's that one, and let me show you what I have so far in that kit. This kit is not finished completely. There will be more stuff added. So this is your cover and your back, and it has like a little mini envelope and tag. And these are the pages. So there will be 4 sets of page, or two full pages that have 2 sets of pages on each one. So a total of 4 sets. This one I'm not done. So I'm not sure which ones for sure are going to be included. I may even end up including them all. I don't know. So that's the roses one, or vintage florals. And then I have the vintage ads. And this one is absolutely adorable. So it is authentic vintage ads in here. And then the same thing, I've done some like invoices in there. So you have some of the invoices and then more ads. And then some blank paper. And you can do the layout however you want to do the pages. So there's 2 ways to put the book together. So there's this way here, which is the way I will show you, and then I also done it this way to where it's put together where you can still see the front. My preferred method is the way that I'm going to show you, but I did want to show you there is another way. So let me show you the kit real quick. So you have your, this is your cover and your back cover, and then this is the inside cover. You have a little envelope, you have some little tags. You have a page that has 2 sets of pages of the vintage ads on it. Then you have a page that has 2 sets of pages. One has the blank, like the notebook pages, and then one has like vintage invoices. And then you get a page of some really small ephemera pieces for the journal. So let me show you how to put this journal together. I have went ahead and I've cut out my cover and I've cut out my 4 sets of pages. So what I do first is I take this cover and I fold it in half. I don't bother measuring or scoring or anything like that. I just fold it in half. And then get that down good. Okay, and so you want to glue this together, and so I'm going to go ahead and you can use glue stick, you can use your tape, anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use my Fabri-Tac and let it be drying while I'm doing the pages. Okay, and then I'm just going to get that all spread out. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side and let it dry. Now for the pages, you can measure and score if you want to, but I'm just going to show you the easiest and quickest way to do it is just fold them in half, just like this. And then I just take and I bring this side over and meet it up to this edge. And then I do the same thing on this side. And you can ink these if you want to. I probably would, you know, for a normal, if I was just doing the journal, but, you know, for tutorial sake and time, I'm not going to. So same thing, just fold it in half. And then fold it down like this, let it meet up. And these make great little gift journals. I'm actually, what made me go ahead and do this was for my granddaughter. I wanted to do something, she's 7, and she loves doing arts and crafts and stuff. So I wanted to do something that she would be able to do and that would be more along her size. And so that's why I've done this. And then when I got to looking at it, I was like, oh my goodness, that's just too cute. So, and depending on how everybody likes them, I may do several more different types of these small journals like this. Okay, so we've just about, and you can see how quick this journal is to put together. And then you can put like little pockets in it, little tuck spots. There's so much you can do and make it look like a real journal. You can even get some coffee dyed paper and cut it the same size as this and fold it the same way and stick in there. Okay, so what I want to do is just make sure that everything's all squished down really good. Okay, so now let me see. How do I want my page order to be? So that's all I'm doing is just looking to see. So I think I'm going to do it this way. I think I'm going to have that, then these, then these. So when you look at the book, it'll be like this. Now, I'm going to show you my cheat way on how I glue these together. You can lay them out and measure them if you want to, but that's just too much trouble for me. So I am just going to put some glue on this side. So the back of the front one is going to glue to the front of the second one. Make sure it's going the right way, and then just put it together and get it all evened up. And then do the same thing here. And then I'm just putting it together, making sure everything's nice and even. And then the same thing right here. Now you can lay it out and measure it out and all that good stuff, but this works perfect and it gets it all nice and straight, and I don't have to worry about it. And just like that. So there's my pages. So there's the inside of my book now, as you can see. And you know, you can ink so that you don't show the white edges. Let me set that to the side for a second. Now we're going to grab the cover, and we're just going to take and score right on those lines right there. And so I'm just lining it up and then scoring. Okay, and then turn it over or around, line it up, and then score it again. And then you just fold on those score lines, burnish it down, fold on that score line, burnish it down. There's your book. And so now what you want to do is take your front page is going to glue into the front cover, and your back page will glue into the back cover. Now you can glue your pages together if you want to. Right in here, if you wanted to glue them together, you absolutely can. Oh, wait, I'm about to try and take them apart. Y'all see that? So let me just put a little bit of glue in between each one, just for, so I don't want to glue that one down. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in between them like that, just to kind of hold them. And you see the exact science that I use on how to glue them down and all that. So, all right, Alright, so this is my front cover. And I am just going to take and line it up in the front cover right here and glue it down. Just like that. And then right here, I'm just going to take and do the same thing on the back cover. Line it up, and then line it up right here. And that's it. It is done. So there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is. I will leave the links to these in the description box below. You know, you have your little ephemera and stuff that you can stick in there. You can take and put like a little pocket in there. You can put this in there with a little paper clip. You have the little mini envelopes. There's all sorts of little mini ephemera that you can really embellish it up. But I will leave the links in the description box below. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.